anti-proliferative, anti-inflammatory, and CYP450 modulation activities of diprangsith formulation and its bioactive components in psoriasis, implications for herb drug interactions. By Kesra Nabangchang, Monthaka Tir Cheskul, Funuch Muhammad, Yosita Kasemnitichok, Nattida Sangnarong, Kanyarad Boon Preserved. Mayuri Tarsuk and Tullaikorn Plengariakan. Aim: this study investigates the antipsoriasis activities of the diprangsith formulation and its bioactive components, focusing on their potential inhibitory effects on human cytochrome P450, CYP450 enzymes. Background: the development of psoriasis is influenced by a combination of genetic, immune, metabolic, environmental, and infectious factors. The hallmark symptoms include red, scaly patches of skin that itch and flake, typically appearing on the scalp, trunk, limbs, and genital area. While psoriasis is rarely life-threatening, its chronic nature can severely impact a patient's quality of life. Experimental procedure: Hackett cells and peripheral blood mononuclear cells, PBMCs, from healthy subjects, N is equal to 9, and psoriasis patients, N is equal to 10, were exposed to diprangsith formulation, EPMC, ligustylide, and cyclosporin for 24 and 48 hours. The antiproliferative effects were assessed using the MTT assay, while cell apoptosis and cell cycle arrest were analyzed by flow cytometry. The mRNA expression of pro-inflammatory cytokines was determined using RT-PCR. CYP450 inhibitory effects were evaluated using a bioluminescent-based assay. Results: diprangsith formulation and its bioactive components inhibited Hackett cell and PBMC proliferation with weak to moderate potency. The combination of EPMC and ligustylide exhibited additive effects. Most test substances arrested cell transition at the sub-G1 and S phases, leading to early and late apoptosis induction. Prolonged exposure, 48 hours, reduced necrosis in PBMCs. The mRNA expression of pro-inflammatory cytokines, including IL-6, IL-12p19, IL-23, and TNF-alpha, was significantly downregulated. Diprangsith formulation, EPMC, ligustylide, and ferulic acid inhibited the activities of CYP1A2, CYP2C9, CYP2D6, and CYP3A4 with weak to moderate potency. Conclusion: diprangsith formulation and its bioactive components induced cell apoptosis by inhibiting specific cell cycle phases, which was correlated with the downregulation of pro-inflammatory cytokines IL-6, IL-12p19, IL-23, and TNF-alpha. The risk of adverse drug reactions and toxicity due to potential CYP450 interactions when diprangsith formulation is considered low. Additional in vivo validation and a more detailed exploration of the clinical relevance would strengthen the findings and provide a clearer therapeutic perspective. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.